up here. When you click on line analysis, if you're on premium, it will show you what you need to do. You see that it's telling you unlock. But now you are now on premium. What you have to do is, it's telling you that you will quantify your impact, but I have weak action verb. So now I will just copy this. It's telling me it's a pro this thing. I will copy it. Like I said, I'm using a GPT, something called GPTs. When you go into ChatGPT, you will see explore GPTs. I'm using one called Resume. The reason why I choose it is not like I use it, is because 1 million people have used it. So let me go back to that GPT. Yeah, that's what I'm using. So now,
sorry, sir. Before you go, the GPT, is it free or you have to subscribe?
ChatGPT, OpenAI made it free, but it's just that all these things that are free, maybe you can only use it for like 10 times before it tell you to subscribe. So you might not improve all your resume in a day. In case you don't want to pay, you can just use like maybe 10 out of it for that day. When you exhaust your free limit, you continue the following day. Like now, this resume worded, I'm on free. So whenever he told me that I can't upload the resume again, one thing I usually do is, I have like 5 emails. I will log out, I'll use another email. So that's another thing. So now it's telling me that I have weak verb issue. So let me just use this my guy resume here. So let me just copy this. So it's telling me, let's say it's saying I can just tell you, can you improve the job achievements in the following areas? Weak verbs. So the suggestion that this site is bringing. So you see, weak action verb. So I will just say weak action verb. You can copy everything now. Weak action verbs. No quantifiable impact. Sorry, let me just cancel it. No quantifiable impact. So let me just paste the guy achievements up here and see what AI can do. So you can see, develop a basket. See, from this burning achievements here, develop and deploy the basket optimization solution that increase by aggregated, clean, and analyze over 500 transaction customer demographic. See, 2 points. This thing is performed exploratory data analysis to uncover customer purchasing pattern. See, you are using action verb. You are telling the recruiter that access model performance and uplift. So let me even look at the CV again and look at, I can copy this whole section here and tell AI to improve on it. I'm on premium, so I can improve this also, because I have stated what I want to do here. So here is an improved version of your with strong action verb and quantifiable impacts. You can see Ministry of it even changed the way See, it's giving you a suggestion. Analyze, conducted, compiling, review. See, people that don't use AI, we always stay behind. See this one now and see this one. Anybody here that we have this one on the CV, please raise up your hand. Anybody that would like to have this on their CV, where are you? Nobody would like to have something like this on their CV, quantifiable like this. Okay, Giwa. A lot of people, we can see that this is making sense. So this is how AI. Do you people want to speak? Giwa will speak. Okay. Okay, just okay. Emoji. So now we are moving to LinkedIn. You see this resume talk. We are not going to finish it today. That's why I drop. See, I have my PowerPoint slide here. I have to drop it because imagine me coming here and be telling you introduction to. Okay, I am coming here. I'm telling you AI automates and optimize jobs searching. And I'm just reading it for you and I'm explaining. But sorry to say, I dump it and we say, okay, let's go straight to the point. So anybody that wants to volunteer is LinkedIn, and I'm not calling Baba today again. So when you put your LinkedIn for me, we are going to improve your LinkedIn together live on this call using AI. So in case we finish this session, you will just go and copy what I did and put it in your profile. I'm going to pick, I need like 3 people on the group. Only one person. I don't want somebody from Nigeria. Sorry. Unless our other country counterparts did not want to put it. So if you want me to quickly pick you, state the country you are from, put it on the group chat, and paste your LinkedIn profile there. I'm going to pick that person. But if you guys did not put your LinkedIn profile on the chat, okay, Guider, put it on the chat, on the WhatsApp group chat. Put your link there. Just copy paste your LinkedIn profile there. I know you are not from Nigeria. Put it there and we will improve it together live. Sorry, my fellow Nigerian. I know a lot of Nigerian. Mayowa is a Nigerian name. I know you. I want to be loyal. They say South Africa and Nigeria used to throw banter on Twitter. But here we are friendly. No banter, just learning and networking and improve our life. So we are family, one Africa. Yes. Is this person South Africa? Okay, this person in South Africa. He's not from Nigeria. So I'm using your profile. That's the first person that sent. So everyone, now this is
Yes, I'm
also
from South Africa. I've just checked my link.
okay. Now your connection is low. Firstly, I'm going to connect with you. Don't let me put in note. Let's start with this. You see, sometimes LinkedIn will prompt you to write a note before you send. Let's say now you have somebody that you know like, this person can help your life. You want to do everything that will impress that person. Now, Dia wants to introduce herself to me on LinkedIn. So I will send add notes. The first thing Dia will go and look is myself, Abby. So I will just go to my profile on LinkedIn. What the AI is going to do is she needs to study my headline first. Just scan through it, all this nonsense I put there, even though she doesn't understand. Scan through it. Don't spend too much time. Okay, I put my portfolio website. Just check my website. You check the person website. They will always put their about there. You check it. So based on this now, you're seeing that I love volunteering and I love teaching. You have checked two things. You read my about section. In fact, in case you don't have time, just copy this about section. See this one, you don't need GPTs. Just open new charts on ChatGPT. Use GPT 01 because this one reason a lot. Or use anyone, but I'm using 01. I'll just say I will just be copying my profile. Just go and copy that person. Copy all this. Just be copying. Copy my life. Copy this. Copy everything you can copy. Go to my about section. Copy it. So go to my last two posts or any post you like that you can relate it on my profile. Post 1. See, in fact, you might not even need to stress yourself. So click anywhere. You can see we have feature section. Everybody has it on their profile. Just go and copy one post that I put there. I put recommendation first. So now, if somebody puts something on their feature section, it means that that person loves that thing. Like me now, I love Power Query. So you copy this Power Query. You shall copy everything. You put it here. Then you scroll back up or at the start. Just put, before you start pasting this thing, just put, can you study this individual profile? You put it in ChatGPT. See, in fact, you see, it summarized my profile for me. Yeah, I understand it. So you just read what you want to read. You can see there that this person loves Power BI. You can see, just go and read the conclusion. AI has done it for you. Now tell AI, my name is, what is your name? Let me just use my name. So my name is, my name is Ayo. Write a one paragraph what is the name that LinkedIn called that thing that we want to send? Okay, write a 250 because it's telling like it's 300 characters we can write. So we can just tell it that write a 250 words character LinkedIn invitation message to this profile. Then you press paste. You see, it's reasoning. It's reasoning. That's why I like all this one model. And in case you too, you like Power BI, you can tell AI that, me too, I know Power BI. So it will help you. See, AI is doing it for us. LinkedIn is doing it. This one is even slow. Wow. Hello, everyone. The person for today's session just joined on the call. The person of Fulani Mlondo is the founder of Sophia Network. And due to some unforeseen situations, he came late today. So, Ulani, can you introduce yourself? Why AI?
Uh, greetings, and how are you doing, guys? Apologies, I was so busy today. So actually, I had to move from one province to another, like moving from one state to another. So today it was the day where the transport guy confirmed, so I couldn't be here to start the session. I just joined. It was around 7 o'clock when I joined. So I think I will let you, Mr. Gani, to finalize. And I see that you are being more technical, but I believe the people are following. So with that said, after you finalize, I will, for people who are looking for job, especially those who never use the professional LinkedIn, I will share a coupon to them so that they can activate their LinkedIn profile. So they will start there to learn how to upgrade their profile. And I think it will also help them, since the profile, the professional LinkedIn, it has some AI tools and suggestion on how the people can enhance their profile. So I'll let you finish everything. Therefore, I will just come in and just share the coupon that will give them a 2-month access to use LinkedIn profile. So
Yes, I will
apologies
also be.
for that. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. You can see now that we even have freebies. See, you are learning AI. See, like as I told them earlier, I like using PowerPoint for my distance, but this is the first ever class that I draft a slide deck for, and I drop it. You can ask them. I just go to the practical section. I did not do any explanation or blah 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 blah. I just went straight. So, and we will also be giving freebies. That's why you should be joining community session. So, um, AI has refined this invitation note for us. You can see it's human. See, some people will tell you that AI can write. If AI writes, they will know it's true and untrue. It's positive and negative. I myself, when I joined my current company, I request of Microsoft Copilots, and I've never written any single email for the past 1 year without Microsoft Copilot. In fact, my boss loved me writing email to a state that I work with a UK company. And let me tell you, if you have met me in person before, you can see that I'm speaking now, my English is not the best because English is not my father's language. In my house, we don't speak English. So you expect me to be writing something that is not my language. Although some people use Grammarly, me, I use AI. And they save me a lot of stress. See now this message, although it's not like I can't write this, but this makes it better. Now, this person can just go into this invitation notes, can just say, hi, Daniel, just put paragraph here. I admire your expertise in Power BI, SQL, and Python. I love to connect, learn from your insight, and explore how I shared passion for data analysis can drive success. Let's connect. This person will feel like there is familiarity. You have checked in before connecting. So this is one area that you can use AI for your invitation notes. Now, I know some person from South Africa because I'll be favoring South Africa today. Also, you see, this master's graduates, remove it from your profile. Let's leave it like this. Like I said, I'm going to connect, but I'm sending without notes. I will be using AI to refine this. The AI I will be using is called LinkedIn Growth Accelerator. Me, I like it. I'll paste it on the. This is one GPT. I love this GPT a lot. I use it to refine my LinkedIn post. Last time to be writing all this story on LinkedIn, but I write first before I use the AI. LinkedIn Growth Accelerator. You can just press here and type it. You see, it's up here for me because I use it. So let's start it. So I'm going to say that, can you rewrite? So I have some prompts here that I use for my AI, and I will share these prompts for all of us. So I'll be using like sorry Diamond, so you did not populate your profile very well. So this example, I'll be using Guida in case Guida. I'm favoring South Africa people today because we are doing Nigeria. I like. Hi Guida, you are from Saudi Arabia, so we want to refine your banner. Like, good. You don't even have LinkedIn banner. So I'll be using your about section and this headline to first create a banner for you. So now I will look at this prompt. I'll paste every details I can get from you, which is from here to here. Work on this banner because I have a template prompt, so I can just put anything, headline. Please, I hope the class is making sense, please, and we guys are learning new stuff. About section. So let me go to your about section and put something here. Let me put this ChatGPT down here. And I will come down and paste the prompt that I use. So I will just copy all this. I'll put everything here. AI likes example. That's why in this prompt, we have given it an example there that we press OK. Then we will see the magic of AI. Now, you can see now, these are things that should be in your header. Helping travelers navigate seamless booking with expert reservation and customer solution. So now you can go to Canva. Ulani, is like we are giving people many ideas today, right? Should we start charging? So now you can just search for LinkedIn banner. Find the one that are free. And if you want to know the one that are free on Canva, they will not have this thing. So you can see many templates here. So I want to find the one that has wording that is free. I'm not designing banner for you. So let's say you are using this. So you can just put, okay, yes, this one has what? You can see this template, unlocking growth, inspiring leadership. So in case you are selling product guider, you can just use providing top tier service and reservation, ticketing services, ASO free tips. I think that's what should go in here, if I'm correct. Yeah. Then you just refine it. So that's a banner for you. Now, sorry, I'll be using Colombia, sorry. So now I want to be equal. I can see that I did not love your about section. In fact, you did not have about section. So can you please tell me the role you are aspiring for so that we can use AI to refine it? Your headline. Let me work on your own headline because this your about section is not working well for me.
Can I respond?
Yes. I'm going to ask you one question live now. And you are going to tell me the answer. I want to refine your about section. Your people that want to reach out to you, what are the problems they are facing? Let me just use your profile.
I missed what you said due to network.
In this prompt, like we want to say, this is the way to craft a headline. Like now, I'm a data analyst. Common problem that people are struggling with is, you see this prompt, struggling with not making informed decision with your data. Like me now, I specialize in data quality and having troubles modeling your data or issues with your data quality. So we are going to use this desirable option you can see here to see here the secret weapon. These are the ways we can use to write your about section. And you put, but for now, let me use my own. Or in case you don't even have time to do this, let's say I will upload this guy, this person that sent me his CV, Sunday. Sunday, can you please send me your this thing on the group, your LinkedIn profile? I think it's on your CV already, safe. So I'll be using Sunday. So it will be easier for us like that. So I don't know, I don't want to copy. I will just use this prompt to write about section with this template. But you are supposed to, in order to reach your target audience, you are supposed to populate anywhere I put these brackets in case you are doing it on your own. So I paste the prompt here and let's say I do the magic. Ulani, while AI is doing his magic, can you please tell us what people think about your about section on LinkedIn?
Okay. About section is very, very important. Recruiters, that's where they go to know everything about you. And it will specify your skills, your expertise, and actually what you mentioned, what you want to solve in the market, in the job market. So it's everything that has to do with selling yourself to the potential recruiter. You have to clearly explain yourself. And it's the same as the question, tell me about yourself in the interview. The way you answer, tell me about yourself, is the same way you have to write about me.
Yes. Now, when you look at this about section templates now, do you believe like this template answer those questions? Because you can see it focus on problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. You can see undesirable, you have 2 options. Undesirable option. You can see the prompt. Did this prompt resonate with what people want to see in someone about section? Ulani,
Please come again.
like this template now for this AI, did it go well with what you just said about how about section should look like?
Yeah, you can go to the template so I can just review it once more.
Now, this is the about section that based on this prompt that we have here, that we populate here, that AI did for us, the about me for this person. So this is the person about me before. You can see it here.
Yes. It really clarifies, especially that it also talks about the specific skills that the individual is expertise on, and
Yes.
also the tools that they have experience on, the AI, I mean the data analyst tools. And I like the last part where it tells what I can offer, meaning what it can help how it can help the organization.
Yes. So these are, like the class we said, is for AI for effective job strategies. These are the ways AI helps. So I believe we learn one thing from here. So I cannot display all these prompts here because of time, and Ulani will take over. So for content strategy, what I usually do is I write my post here. Like this is my last post on LinkedIn. I write a post like this. Like my last post is like this. This is the first one I wrote before using AI to help me refine it. So what I usually do most of the time is I use a single chat for my LinkedIn post, because currently I'm doing one challenge now where we have to post for AI. So what I would do is I will just type, can you rewrite this LinkedIn post for me? I'm telling it not to write, rewrite it. Use my tone and my writing style. Maintain the storyline and add moral to the post. Use great hook and sub hook. Then you put it there. You post your post and you press OK. Let's say I do the magic and you read. Please. So here is the post. I don't know why it's doing like this. Let me just copy it and use another here. Let me just use this AI now. So here is it looking here with a strong hook. So in this case, you are not using AI to write your post. I'm using AI to refine my post. see the original post. Yeah, and see what LinkedIn wrote for me. Abi AI. So we have other prompts, like we've talked about resume mark job description. I think the prompt we do that, and optimize your bullet points. I think I've displayed this one also. Networking opportunity. I displayed that before we join. Content strategy. I think we've covered almost every part. So I will entertain two questions, and within the next within 5 minutes, and I will hand over to Olani. So any question? This is the end of my session, and I believe we really enjoyed ourselves. Any question? Olani, you have question?
Okay.
You are
Yeah, you
okay.
were sharing lots of AI tools. So the question could be, how will maybe somebody who's new to AI get to learn AI? So if you have tools that you can share to all the group so that they get to learn AI, and not only for looking for a job, also on the work perspective, because the way AI is coming, there will be sometimes where professionals may be expected to use tools. So for someone who never used any AI tools, how can they start learning and working on AI tools?
Okay. Thank you for the wonderful question. So the first thing they said is we have to learn. They said if you want to learn, you have to become a baby because you don't know it and you want to know it. So you have to calm down, humble yourself, and go through it. So knowing about something about AI, there are a lot of resources we can share on the group that will teach you foundation of AI, how this AI works, and in those courses they demonstrate how AI can be useful in any role. So they are free till now. And one thing I notice most of the time is that's why I said in my last post on LinkedIn, I said, you can see in this post, I said, if you can afford a paid course or specialized training, go for it. Free resources are great, but not everything valuable comes for free. Bet on yourself. One thing I notice right now is many people reach out to me and they will tell me that I know a lot of people here might be students and might be struggling. But if you can afford a paid course within your range, go for it. Because for somebody to go out here, see, before I can do this class today, sharing about AI, I have a paid course I paid for. You can see. There is a paid course I did on LinkedIn. Prompt and marketing secret from LinkedIn. I don't even know what he's talking about. You see, I have to go through revision on some. You see, I've not finished the course. I just have to go through some revision, use some tips I learned from the course, and to come and teach it because it came as impromptu for me for this class. You can see here are the prompts from the class. Course I just changed some little things for copyrights in order for the class. So, like now, this course is a great course in case you want to learn AI, but it's paid. I think in Nigeria, you can get this course below 15,000. It's 2 hours. Last month, I paid over 200,000 to somebody for 30-minute consultation. Eventually, what that person told me in that consultation, half of it I've known it before, but the remaining, I don't know it. So that is the power of knowledge. Sometimes all these AI courses, they are expensive now. People are putting price on it because they know that it can change your life. I can't be teaching you things that you'll make millions and you'll be expecting people to give it out for free because that is what is called value. Sometimes you have to put a price tag. But for us in Sophia Network, we look at you guys and said, okay, no, these are common issues that are happening in Africa. We at Sophia Network